Welcome back, playground learners. Today we're going to learn about powers and exponents. Let's get learning. The first word you need to know is base, the factor being multiplied by itself, and I've highlighted it in green. Next we have the exponent, the number of times the base is multiplied. And in this expression, the base is 4. Finally, the power. The power is the expression as a whole, what I have circled in purple. That is the power. We're going to start by working through one together. Here is our expression. The base is 4. Highlighted it in green. How many times is 4 multiplied by itself? That's how we find our exponent. Counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our power is written as 4 to the 5th power. I encourage you to pause the video now if you'd like to try these two on your own and then resume when ready to check your work. For problem 1, our base is 12. Exponent is 1, 2, 3. Power is written as 12 to the 3rd. Number 2, the base is 6. Exponent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Power written as 6 to the 8th power. Next, we're going to talk about how to find the value of the power. First, we must identify the base and the exponent and write it in expanded form. Our base is 4. The exponent is 5. To write it in expanded form, we're going to write out 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. So it's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And then we multiply. 4 times 4 equals 16. And then I like to cross out the numbers that I've already multiplied, so I'm just going to cross off those 2 4s. Bring down the next 4, so 16 times 4. Cross that 4 off so I know I've used it already, equals, and I'm going to do long multiplication if I don't have a calculator. So 6 times 4 is 24, bring up the 2, 4 times 1 is 1, plus 2 is 6, so equals 64. Then I'm going to bring down the next 4, 64 times 4. Go ahead, do long multiplication again. Now we have 64 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 plus 1 is 25. So it equals 256. Final 4, bring it down. I'm going to multiply 256 by 4. Same thing, long multiplication. Break it down. 256 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 4 times 2 is 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10, giving us our final answer of 1024. At this time, you can pause the video to try the 2 examples below and resume when ready. 6 to the 3rd power. 6 is our base, 3 is our exponent. In expanded form, we write it as 6 times 6 times 6, and then we do our multiplication. 6 times 6 equals 36. Then we bring down the other 6, so 36 times 6. I'm going to do long multiplication for this one. To the side, we have 36 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Bring up the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. So our final answer is 216. 10 to the 7th power. 10 is our base. 7 is our exponent. Written in expanded form, it's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Rather than actually multiplying all those 10s together, the shortcut of a 10 being the base and a power is knowing that your exponent number is actually how many zeros will be in your final answer. So for this instance, 10 to the 7th power gives us our final answer of 10 million. There are 7 zeros in 10 million. That's it for this week's mini lesson on powers and exponents. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.